Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this 4G LTE dash cam. It's a dual FHD dash cam with parking surveillance, 24/7 parking mode and IR night vision, AI detection dash cam for our cars, and it comes by New Aussie to us. This is a nice device because it brings up a lot of joy. The dashcam works with 4G LTE, so we can check the live view anywhere, even with the engine is off. That means we get the power, not from the secret lighter. In this case, it is the OBD2 port, which we are going to use for the power. Yeah. That means we have to get this area into our car detected. Then we plug it in there and we are getting the cable until we reach the area where we like to install the camera system. Then, of course, we can connect it there. An optional other power source is, of course, a USB power bank for that, for example, with an USB-C cable. Or, of course, you can buy separately a USB cable, which goes into the cigarette lighter, for example. That's possible. This is all possible. But the main power source will be the OBD2 port. Then we are ready, because the SIM card is an eSIM, an embedded SIM card, and we can use an data contract with the broadcast services, and then of course we can use it if we have a contract with that. We are going to get this on the front side of our car, and we are ready for connecting that. Then we download the app for connection. And after this, we pair them, and if they are paired, we are ready. We can then use both the interior and exterior storage of video support. And with this, we can see what's going on the front side, and we can see what's going on the back area on our car, maybe on the passenger side. And then we can have the car's 2K front camera system of this dash cam clearly capture license plates and road sign, while the indoor camera helps us to see the teenager drivers on the backside, for example. This dash cam for cars uses the OBD2, which is included, continuous current with an intelligent sleep mode technology. So we can know the current location of the car and track it via GPS function too. You see a lot of possibilities here with that device. A dash cam is really nice for this, of course. And it is really easy to operate with that. We have the car camera with a base bracket. We have an OBD2 power cable, a Type-C cable. We have different wire clips, a cleaning cloth, crowbar, reset pin, and then we can, let's have fun with that, of course. We have a GPS module, a GPS built in the mount. It connects to the power cord, hardware kit or OBD2 cable. It records the front of the rear of the car, of course, and we have voice prompts and intercom. Because there are speakers on it. The alternating green flash indicates that the device is searching for a 4G signal. The solid green light indicates that the current 4G signal is strong enough to have a good signal. We are going to display the working status LED of the device. Typically, after the device is configured for the first time, the indicator light will turn red to show that the power is connected, and the turn blue to indicate normal operation. Status indicator, job's done. And of course, we have a manual recording button. That means if we push there, we record a video and save it to our phone or cloud storage. And we have a manual recording indicator. Then we have a privacy mode. We press to enter the privacy mode. The inside camera and the audio will be turned off. Okay? And we have a PIAM, the indicator for a privacy mode. Yeah? We have the app we have download and operate with this is the UBox Pro, UBOX Pro, and then we have a good, nice device to track our way, to track our interior, And this all possible with that new Aussie 4G LTE dash cam for our automobile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Tot ziens!